Kōrero a Will Smith me te waiata switch ko Jace tēnei no mai hoki mai ki te wotaka moataro. Welcome back to the show. Tūra parari, your weekend is almost here. Coming up next week is Waiata Anthems Week, which is dedicated to Waiata Māori, and I'm very fortunate to have on the show today from the band Reti Hedley. Mōrena e wā.
Tēnā koe, Jay. Tēnā tātou o te hōtaka o runga o Tahu FM.
Oh, kia ora, bro. So, we've been playing Ngā Reo. We love it here at Tahu FM. One of our favourite jams. People actually ring us or DM us, what's that waiata called? What's it called? So, we have to tell them Ngā Reo. But today, you are releasing a brand new waiata as part of Waiata Anthems Week, kicking off our popo. It's called Te Aho Tapu. Can you tell us about it?
Aye. So our new single is basically about the art of weaving, and Te Aho Tapu refers to the sacred thread that is constantly weaving us all together through our relationships, be it between whānau, mum and dad and children, wider whānau, the sacred thread that weaves love together, that weaves communities together, hapu and iwi, and us generally as te ira tangata. And we based our waiata on that while working alongside a whaia here in the Waikato, and her name is Whaia Tuahana Clark, beautiful weaver from Ngāti Tipa, and she gave us this cool whakatauki, which was moia te uri ki roto I te pā harakeke. Go and marry someone you find in a flax forest. And it almost is the same as that old saying, moia te tāne ringa raupa, marry a man with calloused hands. Marry someone who works hard. And so we based our whole waiata off that concept of love and marrying someone who will do right by you. And
I love that, and I'm just on your Facebook page. And is that her on your Facebook page?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
It's
Oh, check it out and like their Facebook page as well. Pāngia Papa, the singer, said, if you want to learn Māori, I started my journey here, listen to Waiata Māori. And over the last few years, we have had like a whole lot of really awesome quality Waiata Māori. And if you listen to them as you're learning, you realise that unlike Pākehā, they're more spiritual, metaphorical. What do you think about the latest insurgence of Waiata Māori here in Aotearoa e wā?
Oh, I love it. Being Māori being my first language, I didn't fully appreciate the way in which we spoke, because I guess when you grow up with the language, it's just the language you communicate with. And now, as I've grown into my mid-30s, I can reflect back and think, wow, we actually spoke in a way that was truly native to the whenua, because you can hear sayings and kiwaha and whakatauki that relate directly to things that you find here in Aotearoa. For example, the paia of the environment. For example, that whakatauki we just spoke of, moia te uri roto I te pā harakeke. We're talking about harakeke there. And these are things that I grew up learning. And now to know that people like Whaia Pāngia Papa, who I grew up with, and others like Whaia Hine Wehi, who are now really pushing and promoting Waiata Māori, I get to be a part of that renaissance of a reo, and really grow our speakers who are discovering the reo and the metaphoric side of it that connects directly to the whenua, directly to the awa, to the moana, to the ngahere, to the puihi. And I'm just stoked that we're at this point in our history and that I get to be alive to experience it and be a part of it.
So that is so cool.
So cool.
That is so cool. This latest single we're going to play soon, Te Aho Tapu, it marks the first single on your guys' upcoming EP, The Art Of, about toi Māori. Can you tell us a little bit about what we can expect from that EP?
Aye. So we've worked alongside experts like Whaituahana in various different art forms. For example, our next single that we're hoping to release after Te Aho Tapu is a waiata all about the goddesses that make up the various voices and sounds of puoro Māori native instruments. And we've worked alongside a practitioner, long-time practitioner. His name is Horomona Horo, to compose that song. We're also wanting to compose songs that connect us to carving, and we've been working alongside Rangi Kipa to flesh that one out. We've also worked alongside James Webster to compose a waiata about pāmoko and the art itself. We've worked alongside Te Ingo Ngaia to explore the world of entertainment and the domain of Henerau Katamea, our goddess of entertainment. And that one's super cool because we're looking at a traditional poi art form from Taranaki called poi manu. I won't expose too much of that. We'll let you fellas discover that.
Yeah. Oh, it sounds so exciting. I can't wait for it. It's really going to bring alive to our Māori and our arts and just how we view them. And so, when can we expect the EP?
Just at the start of summer, so I believe, don't quote me on this.
Okay.
Gee, my manager's going to kick my bum. I think it's...
We'll just say next year.
Yeah, let's say that, eh?
Yeah, let's just say next year to keep it safe. Is that hard work, working on an album? This sounds really detailed.
Yeah. It is when you're trying to develop a concept, you know.
Yeah,
concept albums can often lead you down a long road and a long journey of wānanga and discussion, and I really, really love working on concept albums, and this is another one of those, and to be able to explore toi Māori and showcase that in the art form of waiata and utilising taonga puoro, man, this is the stuff that gets me fizzing, gets me buzzing.
Awesome. Hey, you busy weekends?
Yes, so tonight we'll be shooting up to Auckland to do the 7 Sharp show. So catch up on 7 Sharp tonight. And also we're going to be showcasing tomorrow at the Going Global event, which is an opportunity where artists in Aotearoa get to showcase and get prospected for different events from around the world. And then, of course, on Sunday, I've got another gig. So gig upon gig upon gig.
Yeah, you're going to be busy, and hopefully you come down here to Te Waipainamuri sometime soon.
Would love to, Matua, would love to.
Also, hey, thank you for your time this morning. We're going to check out your latest waiata, Te Aho Tapu. Reti Hedley, awesome. Kia pai tō rā, e hoa.
Kia pai tō rangi hoki e Jason.